You're obsessed with that shank, dude. Dude. Hey. Don't look at me, how fat and ugly. Are you trying to cut me? Hey, cut me. I want to be cut.
Hell no, bitch.
Cody, cut me.
This is my really ugly eye.
Hey, put my really ugly eye. Oh, show them my cool new piercing I got today.
Fuck yeah.
It's sick. It's sick looking. Because I just pierced it. It was so frustrating. Oh my gosh.
I know.
Don't look at me. Okay, you're done. You're
God.
done.
Gosh.
Okay, Cody, give me